In this video, we're going to look at probability, the and the or rules. The previous knowledge required for this is quite a bit, so I'm just going to say introducing probability. But I'm also going to do some revision on these. So you need to be able to add and multiply your fractions in your decimals. So to do my addition, first of all, these are quite straightforward. If I was to add these, you would place them on top of one another with my tenths in a row and my hundredths in a row. Add these, they've already got the same common denominator, so that's quite straightforward. This is going to be 7 over 12. To multiply these, 3 times 4 is 12, and there are 2 digits after the decimal place. So 1, 2, 0.12. And to multiply, you multiply your numerators together, you multiply your denominators together, and you get that answer. This is a very quick recap, just in case some of these are not on calculator paper. Okay, so the AND rule. The first spinner is spun and a fair dice is flipped. What is the probability of getting a B and a 4? So a B on the spinner and a 4 on the dice. Okay, so I'm going to write out all my combinations. So I'm going to start off with A. I'll get an A and a 1, an A and a 2, an A and a 3, an A and a 4, an A and a 5, an A and a 6. Okay, and if I was to continue that, these are all my options. So what is the probability of getting a B and a 4? Well, that is just there. So it is 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 18. So a B and a 4 equals 1 over 18. But the probability of getting a B is 1/3. The probability of getting a 4 is 1/6. And I know that gives me 1/18. So what operation will I have to put here to get this? It would be multiply, because 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 6 is 18. So the AND rule is equal to multiply. So if you see the word AND in probability, you will multiply. Okay. The OR rule. The probability that a football team will win their game is 0.4, and the chances they will draw is 0.26. What is the probability they will win or they will draw? So this one is quite straightforward. It's what you think you would do here. The chances of them winning or drawing is going to be 0.66. Of what you do for OR is you add. So for OR is equal to add. So let's see what these questions will look like. Okay, so I'm going to leave these up here. AND is multiply and OR is add. So we're always going to think of that. Matthew 6, a science and geography exam. The probability of him passing his science is 0.7, and the probability of him passing his geography is 0.4. What is the probability of Matthew passing both exams? So I'm going to put this here, it's part A. Passing both is passing science and passing geography. So underneath that, I'm going to write down the maths. Passing science is 0.7, and is multiplied. Passing geography is 0.4, and that is going to give me 0.28. Okay, let's look at a different one. So B, failing both exams. So failing science and failing geography. Failing science must be 0.3 because it has to add to one 0.7 and 0.3. And failing geography is 0.6. So that's going to be 3 times 6 is 18. 1, 2, 1, 2, 0.18. Okay. What is the probability of Matthew passing exactly one exam? So this is going to be him passing science and failing geography, or failing science and passing geography. They are the options. So let's put some maths underneath this. Passing science and failing geography, or is add failing science and passing geography. So let's do these. This is going to be 0.42. Add on 0.12, which gives me 0.54. 0.54 is that answer. Now let's just do one with fractions. The probability of Joe being late on Monday is 1/6 and Joe being late on Tuesday is 1/9. But the probability of Joe being late on both days. So it's going to be late and late. So A, again, I'll do it like this. Late on Monday and late on Tuesday is 1/6 times 1/9, which is 1/54. So part B, on time both days. So on time on Monday and on time on Tuesday is going to be on time on Monday is 5/6 and on time on Tuesday is 8/9. So remember, these have to add up to 1. So that is going to be 40/54. What is the probability that Joe is late on at least? So that's the key word there. On at least one day. So this one now, there's a bit more maths involved here. So part C, on at least one day. So you could say, he's late on Monday and late on Tuesday. That's at least one day. Or he's late on Monday and on time on Tuesday. Or he's on time on Monday and late on Tuesday. So all of those things will work. So let's, late on Monday and late on Tuesday, I've already got that one. That's 1/6 times 1/9. Or means add. Late on Monday and on time on Tuesday. Or on time on Tuesday. Sorry, on time on Monday. And late on Tuesday. Let's multiply these out. It's 1/54 plus 8/54 plus 5/54. This is going to be equal to 14/54. That's quite a long way to do that question. There is a quicker way if you could spot it. This is to part C. Another method. On at least one day is late and late, late, and on time and late. The only other option is that he was on time on both days. So you could do one take away on time both days. So one take away, I've already done on time both days, is 40/54. And one is the same as 54/54. So 54/54 take away 40/54 is 14/54, which is a quicker way of getting this. However, most people would try to do it this way. Okay, here's a question for you to have a go at. Press pause, and the answers will follow in 1 moment. Here are your answers.